Hello, my name is Patrick Ross, and today I want to share with you why I think the one-on-one coaching with Michael Williams is a very smart investment. But a little bit about myself, and before I started the Pro90d speech system, I used to struggle with certain words and certain letters in certain situations with my boss, with people in higher power, even with my family and friends. I used to struggle a lot. And that went all through high school, through presentations, reading in class. I used to really fear doing that. And now, 5 months into the Pro 90D speech system, and I've already completed my one on one coaching, I'm just seeing more and more improvements, each week, each month. I'm just seeing more and more improvements. And I'm just looking back on it and I think, wow, I couldn't do that, a month or two ago or 3 months, and it's just a great feeling because I wouldn't be able to speak like this and speak the way that I want to speak if it wasn't for the one on one coach. Now, the reasons that I'm going to explain to you why I think it's a smart investment is through my personal experience with the Pro90 speech system. I know everyone's experience is fairly different, but it's all relatively the same. So, a few reasons why I think it's a smart investment is number one, it's in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to go anywhere. It's in, you can be in your lounge room, outside, through your iPhone, Samsung, iPad, whatever device you have. It's in your own home. You don't have to go anywhere. And I think that's just really great because me personally, I didn't want to have to, fly somewhere for a weekend or go for a road trip somewhere just to get a good coach. Um, and that's one of the reasons why I think it's a very smart investment. Number two is he's really, really motivating. So with me at the start, I was in the coaching, but I just didn't know whether it's going to work. Like this thing of modeling and affirmations and listening to audios and videos all the time. I just wasn't motivated for it. But then I started listening to a few of his training videos and and one-on-one sessions with him, and he just motivates you to model and get on track and try find your new speaking style and not focus on getting rid of stutter. And that just really helps me because now I'm so motivated. I'm so ready and locked in to the Pro 90D speech system now that I'm not with Michael. I'm still going as strong when I was with him now, and possibly even going even stronger because I'm seeing the results. And number three is because when you're learning a new skill or a new habit, mainly a new skill, you, with me anyways, I want to learn it quickly. I want to know that I'm doing the right things. I want to know that I'm doing it the right way. And with Michael Williams, he does that. Your results, you will find, if you're working by yourself, will take a lot longer to see the results you want to see than if you were in the 12-week program with Michael Williams, because it's one on one, it's intensive. He's with you every step of the way for 12 weeks, and he's helping you with certain techniques and strategy to help you with your certain words, or if you're a fast speaker or you're speaking in a choppy manner, he helps you with the certain techniques, and it's just really helping it fast tracks your progress because I feel like you need a coach. If you want the results quickly, you need a coach. It's just like with me playing sport. I play basketball, and I've been playing it for over 10 years now. It's automatic. It's habitual. I know how to do it. Because when I first started, I was getting coached one-on-one or with a team. I was getting coached, and if I wasn't doing the right thing, he would tell me, "You're doing the wrong thing. Try this," and it works. It's the exact same thing with Michael Williams. He's there. He's with you. He's teaching you how to get your new speaking style, and it's incredible the results you can see and you will see if you just stick to the program, because it does take time. It does take time, and he emphasizes that. So that's just a few of the reasons why I think this would be a smart investment. I did try to keep this video relatively short, but it's starting to get a little long now, so I'm going to wrap it up by saying, if you've been doing it by yourself for a long time and you just aren't seeing the results you want to see, or you haven't even started the program yet, you just want to see the results quickly, then this is the program for you. I want to encourage you to jump into the one-on-one coaching immediately, and I know you will see results, and it's just easy working with Michael. He's great to work. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.